7 benefits of garlic you may not have known. 1. The Blood Purifier. Tired of concealing those zits with concealer each morning? It's an ideal opportunity to handle the underlying driver of skin inflammation by cleaning your blood from inside to get sound skin outwardly. Take 2 cloves of crude garlic with some warm water promptly toward the beginning of the day and expend a great deal of water the whole day. In case you're hoping to shed a few pounds, crush the juice of a large portion of a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will assist with purifying your framework and flush out poisons. 2. Cold and flu. Garlic will give you alleviation from that obstinate cold and influenza. Indeed, they completely love you and never need to leave. Taking 2 to 3 cloves of crude or cooked garlic daily or tasting some garlic tea with a hint of nectar or ginger to lift up the taste isn't just going to alleviate a stuffed nose and fix the cold, yet in addition assemble your insusceptibility against these successive guests after some time. As per Dr. Shikha Sharma, Delhi-based health and wellness expert, and originator of Nutrihealth, says, one of the soonest employments of garlic was by meat eaters, since it was accepted that meat could cause contamination which garlic could ward off from the body. All the more regularly utilized by workers who are presented to contaminations and illness well-disposed conditions till as of late, its plenty of medical advantages has made salaried specialists likewise take to it. She included, garlic can be added to hot stews, stocks and soups to battle sinusitis, cold and influenza. Furthermore, garlic is best had in its crude state. 3. Avoidance of heart disease. Devouring garlic every day in food or crude assists with bringing down cholesterol levels due to the counter-oxidant properties of allicin. It is likewise tremendously advantageous to manage circulatory strain and glucose levels. It is basic to recall that the sulfur-containing compound allicin will in general lose its therapeutic properties when garlic is cooked entirety. It is basic to expend garlic crude or semi-cooked to infer any of its advantages. 4. Against bacterial and anti-parasitic. Garlic is outstanding amongst other kept restorative fortunes of the past period. It has been utilized as an anti-infection to treat bacterial, contagious and parasitic contaminations throughout the previous 7,000 years. Studies recommend weakened garlic remove helps kids with tapeworm contaminations. A garlic-based mouthwash may not seem like new, minty breath, however an extremely little amount of its concentrates is adequate to avert cavity-causing microbes. 5. Malignant growth prevention. A few examinations have shown a relationship between everyday utilization of garlic and avoidance of stomach and colorectal malignant growths. It is said to reinforce the insusceptibility of the body against malignancy. 6. For skin and hair. The animating properties of garlic shield the skin from the impact of free radicals and hinder the consumption of collagen, which prompts loss of flexibility in maturing skin. Applied topically, garlic does marvels to skin contaminated with parasitic diseases and gives help from skin infirmities like dermatitis. It is additionally a successful solution for parasitic contaminations like competitors' foot and ringworms. We all think about the marvels of onion for hair, yet its sibling, garlic, is still a saint for your diminishing mane. Indeed, its unexpected time. Scouring squashed garlic remove on your scalp or rubbing with garlic mixed oil is known to forestall and even opposite balding. 7. Splinters. A significant number of garlic's dumbfounding uses were overlooked in the folds of time, yet clients, adherents, despite everything, vouch for the lesser-known advantages. One of them is against difficult splinters. Spot a bit of cut garlic over the splinter cut and spread with a gauze and presto. Bye-bye splinter. Cautions. 1. Asthma patients ought not expend garlic as it might have reactions. 2. Garlic ought to be maintained a strategic distance from before medical procedures or clinical tasks. 3. Try not to devour more than 2 to 3 garlic cloves in a day without speaking with a specialist.